Okay, Mike Martin back again from Danchuk Manufacturing on the American Trifive Association California Dreamin' Tour presented by California Car Cover. And now we're in the upstairs section of the Canepa Motorsports Museum. And here's a famous NASCAR here for you, number 3. This is Dale Earnhardt's car. Back in the day, this is the car that basically he started winning it. And then before he went to the all black. So anyways, we'll just kind of walk along here. This stuff more our style. We got the SoCal Speed Roads, coupe here, and we'll just kind of move along here to some sprint cars and Richard Petty's Ford that he drove when he left Plymouth for about a year. So, anyways, some very interesting stuff here, and a little Mini Cooper race car looks like, and a Bug-Eye Sprite. And then we'll kind of roll over here to the Rothman's Porsche. This is okay, and I need to take a call, so we're going to cut it short here, and with Steve McQueen's Porsche from Le Mans.